What up traders, it's Cam for Investors Underground. Happy New Year. I'm pretty pumped about 2014. We're going to be bringing you a couple of webinars a month with Q&A and mailbag. We're going to bring you trade recaps on the YouTube channel, and we're going to be bringing trading lessons as well on the YouTube channel. I've had a bunch of people emailing me and a bunch of new subscribers in the Investors Underground chat room, and it seems like a lot of you have also taken up the specials on the DVD, and we're getting some great feedback from the people who have watched it. We also broke the 1,000 subscriber mark on our YouTube, and we also broke 10,000 views, so I'm pretty pumped about that. Remember, if you like what you're watching, click the little thumbs up button or share or comment on the videos. If you're not a subscriber already, you should subscribe. It basically means when I put out a new video, you guys get a notification about it and you can watch it. So I'm going to be recapping Tuesday, 7th of January, when Nate made 15 grand in one-day trading. It seems like these 5-figure days for Nate are becoming pretty common. And I'm going to go over the highlights that were called out live from the Investors Underground chat room and where Nate made his big bucks. You can also email me if you want a copy of the chat logs. These are probably the most badass chat logs I've seen in a long time. Drop me a line at cam@investorsunderground.com. So the highlights from this trading day had to be Plug, PLUG, VRS, and BLDP. Let's start with Plug. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty overextended chart. Nate didn't have much of a bias on it, but he wanted to take advantage of emotional moves. So he treated this one as a bit of a scalper. So he started in short round one here and took covers into the wash. He started in short round two here, getting a big move to the downside for a $2,000 trade. Next chart I want to look at is VRS, and it's a pretty similar idea to PLUG, Plug. Let's have a look at it intraday, and we can see Nate gets short into these emotional spikes and covers the washes just for scalps. But as Nate says, you don't always have to hit home runs because singles pay the bills. Nate gets short again, pretty much at the high of the day, scalping his covers again into the wash for another $2,000 trade. The next chart we're going to look at is BLDP. Now Nate had liked this long all day, but one of the Investors Underground members, who's also a moderator in the room, was sort of riding his case about it, saying it wasn't going to go, and sort of jostling him, asking him why he's buying boring stocks that will put him to sleep. Nate made a big call saying it's gone to $2.70 this week, and Drock, the member he was chatting to about it, said that if it does go to $2.70, he'll change his name for a week to Princess. So at the time of making this video, $2.70 did print, and it looks like Drock's name change will be coming down soon. So let's take a look at BLDP intraday now. Nate got long here, calling it out in the Investors Underground chat room. Not only does Nate call out his trades live, but he also posts comments on what he thinks the stock's going to do so people can prepare and get the ticker up on their screens. Nate makes an add to his position here, and BLDP really got going, and Nate locked in half of his profits along the way, riding the rest to the high of the day for over a $10,000 gain. Don't forget to hit me up via email, cam@investorsunderground.com, if you want a copy of the trade logs, or if you want information on pricing and discounts to the Investors Underground chat room or the Investors Live DVD. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you soon for another video recap. Good luck trading.